Hello everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel, and I have another Middie doll in my collection to share with you today. These are the only two Middie dolls I have in my collection. They are Blythe dolls, but they are the middle size Middie. And right now I just have no plans to get any more of these. I'm going to keep these two. They fit in a shelf on my curio. I have a shorter shelf that these 8-inch dolls fit on fairly well. They're on there with some other smaller dolls that I have, and they're super duper cute, so I will go ahead and keep them. I did a video recently where I showed this doll here, the tan doll, Cool Pool Lemonade, and I did a little outfit change for her. And I thought, let's give some equal time here to this little doll. She is called Melanie Unique, and she came out in 2012, and she's supposed to be the little sister of Margot Unique Girl, who is a very pricey doll these days. Margot Unique Girl is. And she's not wearing the stock that she came with. I actually showed that in my previous video when I did, I showed this doll and showed all the clothes I have for them. What she's wearing now is an adorable dress that I got from an Etsy shop called Vooney Shop. And these little boots, I don't remember where, are probably someplace off of AliExpress. But we are going to put her in something. I mean, I love this dress, but she's been in it for quite some time. And I picked up a couple of outfits from Dollar Tree that I'm very curious. I will say, I think the dress is cuter, but I'm very curious if these are going to fit her. So I've got this outfit and very similar one, this outfit. Obviously, they are not, high-end or anything like that. But I'll flip the camera around, open these up. We'll take a look at them and see if they will fit the Middie size. It's very possible. I mean, I kind of feel, what do you guys think? All right, well, let's find out. You see these are very similar. They have basically some jeans and a shirt and some little accessories, backpack, shoes, and a brush. And these shoes. It'd be nice if those shoes fit. Whoa! Oh, are you kidding me? I already lost a shoe. I got it back. Okay, there's the shoes. Here are the pants. And, oh, be happy. That is super cute. This is obviously not high-end quality here. Nothing's finished on the edges. But they're adorable. They're super cute. I feel like they look too small to me. All right, so there's that. Her little backpack that has no... I see a crack in there, but I don't think there's any movability. Oh, wait, no? Oh, yeah, I think it can open. Can it open? Or am I just going to break it? No. Oh, okay. Not really. I think it just pops on there. Back on there, yeah. So, kind of, sort of, not really. All right, let me open this one up. Hopefully not lose the shoes this time. A little brush. The brush doesn't really look that functional to me. Like, it won't really brush their hair. These shoes are exactly the same. Be nice if somebody could wear those. Yeah. And then we have an overshirt. Oh, yeah, so there's 3 pieces here. Looks like a faux flannel shirt. Oh, this is all one piece. It's all stitched together. Okay. So there's 2 pieces, and then we have a white backpack. All right, so I'm going to see, I guess, if this will fit. I'll do it on camera. I guess I'm going to need to take these off because I won't be able to get those pants over. So, I know, girl, this is a really cute, cute dress. So she has the tilty head and this little dial in the back. She can move her eyes back and forth. And they're very pale purple. I don't know what the official description is, but they look pale purple to me. Is this going to fit her? Get them over your big old feet. Maybe. Get your arms down there. Huh. Nope, nope. It's too short. It's like if these were two pieces, they might fit. But yeah, they're not going up. It's not going up. All right. Let me try the other pants on. So I feel like if it didn't have that shirt on, it would fit. And I could cut that shirt off because nothing is, these are not, this is just like very plasticky type of fabric. It would be no problem for me to cut it. Get those little feet in there. Get your feet in. Oh, okay. All right, we're having a little, hey, that works. Cute. Okay, that fits her quite nicely. All right, hopefully this will fit. And then we could put that over this t-shirt. Looking good, looking good. Well, well, well. How adorable is that? Okay, let's put on the faux flannel shirt here. That would be nice with like faux, like just painted on buttons. All right. Okay. Yeah, get your hand in there. How cute. All right. I would be really happy if these shoes fit her. Get a little, I can trim that off, but that looks pretty cute. And it covers up the be happy, but let me pull it like that. All right, let's see these shoes here. They do seem to have a right and a left to them, I think. It's gonna fit. I would say that is a no way, Jose. Okay. Nope, not gonna fit. Nope. Diddly squat. Okay. But let me see if I have some shoes that will fit her, because I have some really cute ones that Marna and Darren gifted me. And then I have, oh, like those little white ones would be cute. And let's see, what colors? What do we got? Do we have any red? Or the pink would be cute because of the Be Happy, or blue. Now, I don't think these are made. Nope, these are made for the other bodies. I guess I need to get with them and get some. Yeah, these are made for the jointed bodies, which I don't have anymore with the jointed bodies. Oof, bummer. Okay, what else do I have here? I have these. These are actually the shoes that she came with. So I have those. I have these little blue ones. Those will definitely fit. And then these white ones. I don't know what I think about these. I think the Mary Janes look kind of weird. Maybe the white ones. Yeah. Oops, other side. I want the buckle on the outside. I mean, actually the boots would look, you know what? I think the boots would look cuter that she just had on. More, like she kind of got that grungy look. She's a bit of a grunge girl. Let me take this little bow off. Yeah. She's kind of got a grunge look going on. Oh, cute. How adorable. How cute is that? Okay, I'm super surprised. I think I even bought this back when things were $1 at the Dollar Tree. At the dollar store. And not $1.25 like they are now. So that's super nice. And I think I'll keep a hold of this, but I see like it's sewn. It is odd. I wonder why they went ahead and sewed this together. Why didn't they just make two pieces? Because I could just cut that off, but I'll leave it for now. Put it in the box. She's going to be grungy for a little while. Melanie's all grunged out. And here's a little backpack. I could not get this on the back of her or even put it on her arms or anything because it's so stiff, and she's kind of stiff. She cannot bend. So it's more of just like set it to the side as sort of a little prop, but it's not really something she can use that much. But they look so cute together. Yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised with this. And I do like the boots. That was a good call, putting the boots on with this outfit. All right, so it's Melanie here and Cool Pool Lemonade. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. As usual, please give us a thumbs up. Have a wonderful Dolly day. Bye-bye.